Are you tired of feeling left behind in the digital world? It's time to flip the script with Digital Boss Academy. Imagine learning at your own pace, on your own schedule. With Digital Boss Academy, flexibility is the name of the game. Get exclusive insights from industry pros, diving deep into a comprehensive curriculum that covers everything you need to know. And guess what? It won't break the bank. More affordable than traditional classes, but packed with hands-on projects and case studies to give you practical experience. Need to connect? Network with peers and professionals, all while keeping up with the latest trends and tools. Focus on what interests you and use our ready-made templates to post immediately. Plus, enjoy the global reach. Access courses from anywhere in the world. Ready to become a digital marketing boss? Join Digital Boss Academy today and transform your future.